If monday.com is showing an error loading updates, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. We'll go step by step, starting with the easiest solution and moving toward the most common causes, so you can get your update section working again without wasting time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, the simplest fix is to refresh the page. Sometimes monday.com just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly, especially if the page partially loaded or a temporary browser issue caused the error. So go ahead and refresh the tab and check whether the updates load normally. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection speed. Open your browser and search for Speed Test. Run a quick internet speed test and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, unstable, or dropping in and out, monday.com may struggle to load updates correctly. If possible, switch to a stronger network or restart your router before trying again. Now let's clear your browser cache and cookies, because old or corrupted browser data can often cause loading issues. On most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select Cache and Cookies. Make sure the time range is set appropriately and click Clear. After that, fully restart your browser and sign back into monday.com. This step fixes a lot of strange loading and display problems. If you're still seeing the error, another common cause is browser extensions. Some ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere with monday.com's updates feed. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions. Once they're disabled, reload monday.com and check the Update section again. If it starts working, you found the cause. Next, check Item Access and Permissions inside monday.com. Open the item that's giving you trouble. Then go to Updates and make sure your account has the right permissions to view and interact with that item. If you don't have access, or if the item was shared incorrectly, updates may fail to load. In that case, ask the board owner or admin to confirm your permissions. Finally, it's a good idea to check the monday.com status page and make sure there isn't a platform-wide outage. If monday.com is experiencing an issue on their side, the updates area may not load properly no matter what you do on your device. If there's an outage, the best option is usually to wait until their service is restored. So to recap, if monday.com is giving you an error loading updates, refresh the page, test your internet, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, check item permissions, and verify whether monday.com is having a service issue. One of these steps usually solves the problem quickly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more monday.com fixes, troubleshooting guides, and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.